If you've lost access to your SonarQube account and don't have your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the SonarQube login page. Go to the official SonarQube login page. Look for the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SonarQube to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from SonarQube. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Follow the reset link. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. This will direct you to a page where you can create a new password for your account. Step 5. Create a new password. Enter a new password that meets the security requirements. Confirm the new password and submit the changes. You should now be able to log in with your new password. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to SonarQube support for further assistance. Following these steps should help you recover your account without needing a phone number.